Hi all, welcome to a new episode of this IoT series. So in the previous video we have seen this hydroponic system, but today we are going to use one automation for our room. So we have made one previously, you can check out that video, link is already in the description. But today we are going to make an upgraded one. So let's DIY this. So for this project we are going to use this Node MCU, and I have created this PCB so that we just have to connect it directly. We don't have to do the breadboard and work all that. You can try that also. And then we are going to use one LCD display. So this is a 20 cross 4 LCD display, and as you can see here, and behind the display we have this I2C module. So this will help us to interface easily. Now the next thing that we are going to use is the MQ135. This is an AQI sensor. This will show us the air quality index. And the last thing that we are going to use is this DHT22 module. Instead of this, you can also use DHT11. That will be cheaper, but this will be more accurate. Then we need one, you know what it is. So I have created the markings already, and here these are the points. So I'm going to cut all of them so that we can fix our these sensors and devices in this box. So as you can see right here, I have already cut this part, and let's connect the devices now. Here goes the MQ135 sensor, and I can fix it here very easily. After that, this is the DHT22 module that will be connected here, right here, very easily. So now it's time for the LCD module, and I am connecting it to the lid of this box so that it will be visible to the outside properly. So this part is done. Now let's go to the software part and create the software. Then we have to upload the code here. First of all, open up your Blynk platform and click on this new template and create a new template as let's say RDC lab, and choose the board ESP8266 and connection type is Wi-Fi. Create on done, and we have this new template here. So now we need to add a device first. So click on here, add the device. Let's name it as let's say automation. Okay, now click on here, set up the web dashboard. So this page will appear in front of us. We need to add the widgets here. So first of all, we need a switch. We need two switches because one for light, another one for fan. So two switches are added. Then we need to add this display so that we can see the value of temperature and humidity and all that. We can use the label, but we are going to use this gauge. So one is added, three more to add. So now we need to configure these widgets. So click on this switch, and here you can see this settings icon. So here we are going to name it something. Let's say light. Okay, now create a data stream. We are going to use virtual pin. So here you can choose icons as well, and here the name is given as light, data type integer, and pin is here virtual pin 0, that is B0 is used. So now let's create. We don't have to change all this. Click on create, and that's how the data stream is created. Now click on save. So you have to do the same for the other widgets as well, but here is a problem. When I'm going to click on this one, this data stream, here you can see I am unable to create any data stream. So let's see the data streams. Here you can see I can create 5 data streams for free. For more data stream I have to upgrade or buy. So what I'm gonna do, I will delete this one. So instead of dew point, we will just show temperature, humidity and air quality. Three things we are going to choose. So we are done with this section. So click on save, and now let's go to the coding part. And first of all, we are going to do the coding. So here, as you can see, here is the code. You can find it in the description below as well. So before this, let's go to the devices, and here you can see the automation, and go to here device info. Okay, and copy this particular section. Just click to copy the code and you can see it is copied. Now go to your code and just replace these 3 lines with whatever you have copied, and that's how it is created a particular code for your use. Then change your SSID and password. Then as it is, there are different sections that are in the code, and I have already elaborated this in my previous video, so I'm not going to elaborate it right now. So now let's upload the code to our node MCU, and after that we will have to set up the mobile dashboard as well. So let's open up the Blynk IoT app right now, and here you can see the template automation. It is already created automatically. So click on here, and as you can see the green icon, that means the device is online. So now we have to create the widgets. So click on here, and you can see there are many options. If you have lots of money, you can buy this, but we are going with the free option. So in here, right here, see, this is the add widgets button. So create one button. We can't add all these because we need upgradation. So we go with the free one button. Then we have to create another button. So let's organize these buttons, and click on one button, and as you can see here, we have to choose a data stream. So for light, we are going to choose this one and change this to switch option. Then there are also designs. You can add new designs here, but for now we are leaving it as it is. Could change? No change. We can change the colors here according to the switch, but we are going to do that later. So you can do the same for the fan option as well, and you can organize it correctly so that it will look beautiful. And now let's choose the other options. So go to the dashboard and choose here the gauge option for the temperature, humidity and dew point. So we need 3 gauge, so you can organize it accordingly. So now click on the gauge, and here you have to choose the data stream. I'm going to choose the temperature, and done. Similarly, you can do some work with the design option, but we are going to do that later. So in a similar way, you can create all other gauge options and assign them the data stream and organize them perfectly. After that, click on save. For that, click on the back button, and this is your dashboard. So there is no value right now because we have not connected the node MCU. So let's go now and connect the node MCU to the circuit, then we'll see. So we have completed the software part, and as you can see, I have also uploaded the code to this node MCU, and here you can see I have to connect all these pins of these devices to this node MCU. Well, so now this is almost done. Now we have a relay module to add. Before that, I am turning off all the switches from the MCB so that I will not get any kind of electric shock. So this is the relay module that we have already used in our previous video. If you have not seen that one, then the link is in the description below. You can check out that. For now, we are removing this relay module from here so that we can add it inside the box, and the wires we are going to put it through the box so that it will look better, and that's how I'm going to connect it. Here I have already created a slot for the wires so that it will look very clean, and I have these 2 screws so that I can mount it the box in the wall, and I will tight it with the screw. Now it's time to add the relay module here. Let me give you a closer look. So I have already added the relay, and the node MCU, we have to connect the relay pins to the particular pins of the node MCU. Before that, I have this double-sided tape. I'm going to glue it over here so that the node MCU will be placed in a particular place. So this is one adapter. Basically it is a old phone charger, so I'm going to use it, and there is a slot in the side through which I'm going to push this charger pin and connect it to the node MCU already. Now the box is looking something like this. Nothing is missing. Now I'm going to connect the LCD, then I will close the box. So before that, I have to be careful with the wires, and all the wires should be inside so that it will look better, and that's looking nice. Now let me turn on this switch, and you can see the LCD is on. Don't bother about the lines, they are just randomly there, but once this will be on, you can see the exact value. So as you can see here, we can see in the beginning there is a Rudra DIY Crafts lab, then there is the date, time, after that we have the temperature and humidity value, and in the middle of it this is the AQI value. So that's how easily we can see all the data. The air quality, the dew point value is also missing, but we can't add it, no. So that's how we can see the data on this LCD. Now this is the mobile application, and this is our dashboard where you can see the temperature, humidity and air quality value, as well as we have the buttons. Let me show you in a better angle. And see, this is the application. These are two buttons. One is for light. Okay, this one is for fan, and the other one is for light. See, the light is turning on, and there is not much delay. It is working immediately. See, that's how it is working. So that's all about today's video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to hit on that like button, share it with your friends, and the comment section is all yours. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, walk smart.